Hi children, I welcome you for the social class. Last class we have discussed about Tughlaq dynasty. Muhammad bin Tughlaq, Firoz Shah Tughlaq. Today class we are going to discuss about the same lesson, Delhi Sultanate. Delhi Sultanate. The topic is Timur invention. Timur's invention. Sai dynasty. Lodi dynasty. Then Islamic architecture. Islamic. See the lesson is Delhi Sultanate. The topic is Timur invention. Okay. So he is the ruler of Central Asia. He started the expedition in India. Next is Sai dynasty. After Timur captured some territories in India, so the governor, appointed the person Said dynasty. They originated the Said dynasty. And after he enthroned the Said and Lodi dynasty, they started the Lodi dynasty. After Said dynasty, started the Lodi dynasty. Then after Mughal Emperor Babur defeated the Lodi dynasty, Ibrahim Lodi, the ruler of Ibrahim Lodi, and they captured Mughal dynasty in India. Okay, so Islamic architecture. This lesson we are going to learn Islamic architecture. This architecture means building. Okay, building is Persian style and heart. Okay, the decoration is Indian style. So this class we are going to learn Islamic architecture. Next, we are going to see the topic is Timur invention 1398. The saking and massacre. So it is called massacre. Massacre means one places kill many people is called as massacre. Saking. So Delhi was sacked. Okay. The saking and massacre by Tamerlan or Timur. Timur called as Tamerlan. Tamerlan or Timur of Delhi came to decade after Firoz Shah Tughlaq died. So when Firoz Shah Tughlaq died, 1388, after 10 years, decade means 10 years. After decade 1398, the Timur started the invention in Delhi as a ruler of the region around Samarkand in Central Asia. So Timur is a ruler of Central Asia. The place is Samarkand. Timur had occupied some part in the northwest of India. Okay, who is the Timur? He is the ruler of Central Asia. Samarkand is one of the places. So it occupied many places in northwest of India. Taking advantages of India's weakness, he entered India in December 1398 and he plundered Delhi. Okay, he captured many wealth in Delhi after 10 years, 1398. Punjab, not only Punjab, Delhi, so most of the places Timur invaded in our India. Apart from, he plundered many wealth, gold, silver, jewel, Indian artisan like carpenter also he taken to Central Asia. Okay, next we are going to see the topic as Sai dynasty 1414 to 1451. So the Sultanate fragmented. Fragmented means divided into different territories into a number of independent kingdoms. It endured for 114 years more till the Mughal invention. So before the Mughal invention, 114 years Sultan kingdom ruled independent. Before leaving Delhi, Timur is a ruler of Samarkand in Central Asia. He left representative Tuzir the governor of territories. Who conquered? Timur conquered Delhi, Meerut and Punjab. And he founded the Sai dynasty in 1414. Okay, Timur founded the Sai dynasty in 1414. He is the last ruler till 1451. Who is the ruler? He appointed representative Yusuf Khan. The last ruler of the dynasty, Alauddin Alam Shah, who is the last ruler of this Sai dynasty means Alauddin Alam Shah, and he left the throne in 1451. He is not willing to continue the dynasty. So he left the throne in 1451. And this dynasty went to Paglun Lodi, the governor of Srihand, Punjab, got the opportunity and he became a ruler of Delhi and he established the Lodi dynasty. Saidi dynasty is not willing to continue the throne, so that he resigned the throne. So next became the ruler of Lodi dynasty. Okay, Lodi dynasty. Next we are going to see the topic is Lodi dynasty. 1451 to 1526. Okay. So who founded the Lodi dynasty means Baglul Lodi. After Baglul Lodi in 1489, the son succeeded Sikandar Lodi. Sikandar was a patron of arts and learning and he founded the city of Agra and made it his capital. For Delhi, which is the capital, means Agra in that period. After death of Sikandar Lodi, his son Ibrahim Lodi became a ruler of Lodi dynasty. But Mughal dynasty Babur in 1526, the Battle of Panipat, he defeated the Ibrahim Lodi and he established the Mughal dynasty in India. Okay. Next, Islamic art and architecture. Islamic means Muslim. See the picture, Dawlatabad Fort, Alai, Darwaza. So Islamic art and architecture, the mansion means fort. Okay. Palace is called as mansion. The mansion of high-ranking Muslim nobles. The mansion provided high-ranking Muslim nobles, soldiers and officers and they built near the mansion, mosque and imperial trail constructed by successive Muslim regimes in Delhi. Okay, so near the mansion they built the mosque and madrasa. Madrasa means learning center, education center is called as madrasa. And it is look architecturally different. Both also it is look architecturally different. Madrasa means learning center and mosque both also architecturally different. So the graceful decoration of doorway, the door, wall, so everything they given the Quran line. Okay, the wall and door given the Quran distinct appearance in this building. What is the beautiful for this building means they given the wall and door given Quran line. The shape of all this building was Persian. The building built like a Persian style and decoration was Indian style. So only it is called as Indo-Saracenic architecture. Saracenic architecture. Okay. So because the building, the architecture is built like a Persian style and decoration is like a Indian style. So it is called as Indo-Saracenic architecture. So for our example for Muslim architecture is Qutub-Minar, Alai Darwaza, Quwwatul Islam and Modiki Masjid, Tomb of Iltutmish, Walban and Fort of Dawlatabad, Fishabad. So this is all example for the Muslim architecture. Okay children. So fourth lesson is completed. Next lesson we are going to discuss geography. First lesson interior. Next recap. The Sekiya massacre. What is called massacre? Massacre means many people killed in single place. It's called as massacre. The Sekiya massacre by Tamerlan or Taimur. Taimur means the ruler of Samarkand in Central Asia. After 10 years, after death of Firoz Shah Tughlaq, he came 1398. In 1489, Baglul Lodi was succeeded by his son Sikandar Lodi. After Sikandar Lodi, who is the ruler of Lodi dynasty? Ibrahim Lodi. But Babur defeated in the Panipat battle 1526. Okay. Then Islamic art and architecture. So Islamic art and architecture. The architecture is built Persian style and decoration the given in Indian style. So it is called as Indo-Saracenic architecture. Next, answer the following. 13th question is give you a detail on Taimur invention. And 31st, write a note on Islamic art and architecture. Okay, Indo-Saracenic architecture. It is called as Islamic art and architecture. Learn and write the question. Okay, children. Next, current affairs. So today our current affairs is who is the Minister of Home Affairs India? Who is the Minister of Home Affairs of India? So Home Affairs means is the responsibility for our local any authority problem. Okay, Mr. Amit Shah. Mr. Amit Shah is the Ministry of Home Affairs of India. I hope you understood this session very well. So next lesson will continue. Next lesson, geography, interior of the earth. Thank you. Have a wonderful. I hope you understood this session very well. This class will be continued in next video. Thank you. Have a wonderful day.